Honey, have you seen my glasses? I can't find them anywhere.
Can't it wait? My favorite show is on. Try finding them yourself first.
I've already been looking for almost 20 minutes.
Then keep looking. I'm sure they'll turn up eventually. Turn up eventually means that a lost item will be found after some time.
This isn't a good time for jokes. I have an important presentation tomorrow morning, and I still have a mountain of work to finish tonight.
You always leave everything until the last minute.
I know, but this presentation is really important. My manager will be there, and if everything goes well, I might even get promoted.
Then stop worrying and think calmly. Panicking won't help. Panicking means feeling very worried and unable to think clearly.
Easy for you to say. I can't even read my notes without my glasses.
Have you retraced your steps? Retrace your steps means to go back to the places you visited to find something.
3 times. I checked the bedroom, the kitchen, my office, and even the bathroom. I was so desperate that I even looked inside the refrigerator.
Were you expecting them to chill there?
Please don't laugh. I'm already stressed.
All right. Have you checked your backpack?
Yes, I emptied every pocket. They're definitely not there.
What about the car?
Oh, I completely forgot about the car.
Go check.
Nothing. I searched the glove compartment, under the seats, and even the trunk.
Then check your desk drawer one more time.
I already checked it.
Check again. Sometimes we overlook the obvious. Overlook the obvious means to miss or fail to notice something that is very clear and easy to see.
Nope. Still nothing.
What about under the sofa cushions?
I found some coins and an old receipt, but no glasses.
Oh, well, at least your house is getting cleaner.
Very funny.
Have you checked your jacket pocket?
Yes.
The kitchen counter?
Yes.
The bathroom shelf?
Yes.
Are you absolutely sure you've looked everywhere?
Unless my glasses have magically grown legs and walked away. Yes.
Okay, one last place.
Where?
On top of your head.
You've got to be kidding me. They were on my head the whole time?
Yes.
Wait a minute. You knew that all along, didn't you? All along means from the very beginning.
I noticed them the moment you asked me.
Then why didn't you tell me? You made me search the entire house.
Do you remember what happened yesterday at dinner?
Yesterday?
I spent almost an hour making your favorite meal.
I remember.
And after your very first bite, you said, I think it needs a little more salt.
I was just giving my opinion.
You didn't say the food was delicious. You didn't thank me for cooking. You only pointed out the one tiny thing that wasn't perfect.
I didn't realize my words would hurt your feelings.
Sometimes people remember criticism much longer than compliments.
You're right. I should have appreciated your effort before mentioning the salt.
Exactly. So today, I let you search for something that was right in front of you, just like you overlooked all the effort I put into dinner.
I guess I deserved that.
Consider it a gentle reminder to appreciate people before criticizing them.
Fair enough. From now on, compliments first, suggestions later.
That's what I wanted to hear.
And for the record, your cooking is amazing. For the record means making an official, clear, or public statement.
Better late than never?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a presentation to finish while wearing the glasses that were on my head the entire time.
Good. And tomorrow, keep your glasses on your nose instead of your head.
Deal. And I promise I'll never start dinner with "it needs more salt" again.
Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.